the COVID issue and allowing the institute examination in the premises. Practically, none of the college or school is going to give your premises for the physical examination. This point you should note it. And as a management institute, it is our duty to see we are able to manage the affairs of all organizations to the best interest of stakeholder by practice colleagues, employee colleagues, all are working for the organization. And we have to see that my organization is also running in appropriate time bound benefit for all stakeholders who are working for that. Yes, online will support further, it will improve standardization of marking. We have seen there are a number of objective type questions in the present pattern, number of case study based question, where in the physical checking there is a risk. Being an auditor, I have to speak on a risk. There is a risk for wrong marking also. That risk will be avoided in this online checking, at least for the other than descriptive questions. Human error will not be there, at least for the majority of the exam paper, which is not a descriptive paper. You see, normally we have seen the result of exam comes on 25th of February, 25th of August. Student has appeared in December, result in February, inter student going to final, or foundation student going to inter. If the result is in February, on 25th February, December student will have to wait for the admission and he will appear in next December. It means December में foundation दिया और inter next December में देंगे. Inter December में दिया तो final next December में देंगे. In case of this online, our result will be possible in January itself, meaning thereby the next attempt admissions close on 31st January, extendable to 10th February. Meaning thereby, if we are able to prepone our result to January by this online mode, a student will be able to save 6 months shifting from foundation to inter and shifting from inter to final. This is one of the major parameters for which we are looking online. One of the parameters only. Timely result will save your 6 months. Some of the questions are coming to me, how skewed it is from home. It is more skewed than a physical examination. There is a double check, human proctoring, remote proctoring. I'll discuss in detail in the next slides. What is human proctoring? What is remote proctoring? Third, exam paper secrecy. First and second point I'll discuss in the next few minutes. Next slide. Third point is exam paper secrecy. In a physical exam paper, go by the courier or the speed post or whatever number of days before, 2 days before, 5 days before, something like that. There remains a risk of paper remaining. I'm not saying there's an issue is there, but as an auditor, I am going for an improvement. Presently, paper goes by the physical mode, or a courier or a speed post, reaching exam center a day before or 2 days before, something like that, or maybe 3 days before. In online, the paper will be hosted in this server just few minutes before, maybe a 15 minute or maybe 30 minutes before the examination. More secrecy will be there on paper. Then, if we talk of questions, even in the present system, there are questions objective types. Fill in the blanks. Now, whether the question paper will be the same for all or different, I have my reply here. In a physical, we have the same question paper. Because of the IT platform availability, this online exam in the same question paper, we can shuffle the questions. One student will have questions in the sequence differently, and other student will have a questions differently. The sequence of question will be different for a different student. This is not possible in a physical exam. It more security is there, I would say, more secure exam than a physical. Moreover, don't try to cheat or the things. Nobody will be able to that. When the questions are changed, suppose you have come to know a student is question number 1, A student is at question 1, same question B student is having number 8, and you ask, please inform me the answer of question number 8. A, B, C, D, which is the final answer, you will end up in the wrong thing. Because in IT platform, we will shuffle the answers also. Question 1 shifted to maybe 8 number or some other number for other student, and answer ABCD sequence for one student will be different for other student. There is shuffling in the questions, there is shuffling in the choices also. More security, more. Now, further, how the online exam is going to help in future, it is a home comfort to the student. Safe travel, you save the travel time to the center wherever you, even you are living in Biawar or so, you'll spend the time to travel to the center, that is saved. I think the center is not there in your city most probably. Maybe in any case from home to center, your time is saved. Secondly, you save additional time. Like today meeting is at 8 p.m. Like this start, we have started this discussion on online exam 8 p.m. If it is the physical meeting, you will leave from home in time, well before time, to reach the event before time or reach the exam before time. You will keep a margin of few minutes, a traffic jam margin or other margins. All such time is over. Here you get ready at 7:58. You are ready at 7:58 and you are putting it screen at 8 and you are starting this meeting straight away. You're saving the travel cost, travel time, and saving the supplementary time also. And it also saves cost and time in case of students which are from nearby cities. In the cities where centers are not there, they will have much comfort. Out of country students, much comfort will be there. They travel to India also. All such things are there. It's not only the COVID, it is all other things which we planned to bring this online examination. Some of the questions are moving the public platforms. Institute has taken a hurried decision. No, I would say most of the students are aware what we were doing. We have already conducted online foundation exam on 6th of September. There were no complaints. There were a faster result in less than a week. In foundation examination, more than 5,000 students practiced tests, mock tests, and 63,000 tests which were conducted by more than 5,000 students. More than 63,000 tests were, even on an average, every student had done a test of 12 to 13 times. Though the actual appearance in the students were 7,300 something, maybe, but everybody has not done the mock test. The average of the 5,000 students is 60,000 plus, basically 63,000 plus. It was a successful examination and it was a zero complaint examination we have done, online foundation. And when this online foundation was done, I had, as a president in the July, as a president of the institute, I had declared in the public event in the mid-July itself that September examination, for which the date sheet is there, will be in online mode, inter and final also. And my statement was very clear in mid-July, without changing the structure of question paper. Even despite my sentence speaking this slowly and loudly, without changing the structure of question paper, number of uh, people, I would say, not coming into the, maybe the student or the faculty, no. Number of people in India started making the videos. Oh, how this institute is going to perform? They're a fool. They don't know how interfinal will be conducted. Despite the statement that without changing the structure of question paper, we are going, and the September exam will not be postponed, and the notification of online will be issued on 1st of August. Because this was announced in events in July mid, immediately we started getting mails from the students and faculty and a lot of requests. Sir, I don't have a laptop. I'm in a remote area, bandwidth problem, sir. Considering all such requests, that online, that physical is also required. Considering all such requests of non-availability of laptop at home or a bandwidth issue, we postponed the September examination. Now, we are here to give you the option true also. Na? You go to the center if you have the issue, you raise the issue, laptop not available, bandwidth problem. Okay, you go to the center. We are given you the option. We have delayed the September to December, and we are giving you what you asked for. You asked for, you gave the problem of a non-availability of laptop or so. We have solved it. Come to the center. We'll provide you the laptop. And it means the students are aware since mid of July that it is going to be online. Postponement of September to December was there because of your request. Now, coming to features of the examination, I'm replying to all the questions. I've got some questions, and whatever will be the live, I will be there. Without changing the structure of the question paper. Now, here's just minor thing we need to note. Minor rationalization of marks for rounding is there. I will share you the structure of question paper. It may be possible one question is a 7 mark, we are making it 8, or just for rounding purpose, or maybe the question of 9 mark, we are making it 8. Just a minor rounding is there, but we are not changing the structure of question paper. Yes, we are changing the structure of answers, not the questions. Question will be as it is the existing question paper. We are changing the answers, medium of answer or the structure of answers. Stepwise marking will be maintained. how the present structure has been maintained in case of a practical exam,
There's a
theory
lot
exam.
of background noise that's going on, and that's why we're not.
I'm showing you the sample paper. I'm shifting to the sample paper, how the things will be there. Fine. This is the question paper. It must be visible to you. This is appears to be, yeah, this is a costing paper. Now, this is the present question paper I'm showing you. The last attempt, that is December 19. Intermediate group 2, December 19. You please go to the old paper and see the structures. Even the whether the question is a practical question, practical subject or a theory subject, every subject has more than 25 marks objective type questions only in different formats. Whether it is a costing, whether it is a law. Minimum 25 is already a very practical paper. Now I'm touching upon this costing paper just for an example. If we see part A, section A contains question 1, all parts are mandatory. Answer the following questions, and there are 10 multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. 1 into 10. It means 10 multiple choice questions are already there. We are bringing the same 10 questions in the online mode. You there also, as it is question will appear in online, you please mark the correct answer in the online. So 10 marks are as it is carried forward. It will just take few minutes. Advisor paper. Question number B, 5 marks. 25 marks is like that. Question B tells match the following. On the left side, there are 5 elements. On the right side, there are 8 elements. Here also, we have converted it to the objective type only. Against the notional cost, you will get the options. Against the labor turnover, you will get the options. Against the cash 10, you will get the options. If this similar question is kept in the ABCD format, again 5 marks. It will be reach 15 marks. Now, this is the next 5 marks. State whether the following are true or false. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions are there. 5 parts. 5 marks. As it is questions are retained, you please tick true or select true, or you select the false in the paper in the online. No change. See the next 5. Fill in the blanks. 1 into 5. As it is question is there in the online. Dash is provided. You please write what you please select the appropriate answer in the 5. It is 25 mark question in the costing is as it is the same as in the mock, will be in the examination and the or in the mock test. Now I've shifted to the last question. The last means the next question, and it will be the last one for discussion. Section B. Answer any 5 out of 2 to 8. Question number 2 to 8. The question 1 was for 25 mark, and it is maybe it is a law or a theory. Any theory, it is like that only. Answer any 5 out of question number 2 to question number 8. Each question carries 15 marks. 15 into 5. Now the first question is of 15 marks. 15 marks, like further A has 9 marks, 2A has 9 marks, and further B has 6 marks. It is 50 mark question is divided in 9 into 6, 9 and 6. It's not mandatory, it may be different in the different examination, it can be 8, 7, something like that. Now I am advising you only on this question, you will understand the change we have made, how we have reached the online. Xeon Limited uses 3 types of material. Question is there, data is there. It says what is the what would be the following quantities: minimum stock of A, maximum stock of B, reorder level of C, average stock of A. It means presently you are solving this question in a rough, giving the presentation and the calculation in the fair, first rough, then the fair, and you are giving the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are being marked 9 marks. Now, how these 9 marks are allotted while checking the physical exam? Some marks are allotted to minimum stock, some are to maximum stock, some to reorder, some to the average stock level. Maybe the one part is 2 marks and one part is 3 marks. Total 9 is there. Definitely 3 parts will be having 2, 2, 2, and one will be having 3 marks. Only then the 9 marks are there. Here we have rationalized. Number 1, how the answer will be there. Here the question will remain same in the online mode. Question will remain same. Now, what I will be asking, what we will be asking here in the institute, after writing the question, we'll ask, what is the minimum stock of A? Option A, B, C, D. Choose any one. Then, what will be the maximum stock of B? Option A, B, C, D. Choose. Reorder level of C. Choose the option A, B, C, D. Average stock of A. Choose the option A, B, C, D. It means there will be 4 sub questions with the option A, B, C, D. Meaning thereby in the Online examination, you will be solving the question in rough and giving the final answer to us. And moreover, it is a stepwise only. Well, earlier also, from 9 marks, we are giving a stepwise marking to all the four parts. Now we are informing you the stepwise marking. We have changed this question from a 9 marks to 8 marks for a rationalism. In the previous slide, I wrote that questions are rationalized only for minor 1 mark or 1 mark plus and minus for rounding off. Here, rounding of 9 was not good for 4 questions. We have done it 2 marks into 4, it will be 8. Just minor rounding will be there in the otherwise the question paper will remain same. Now I'll show you the mock test. What online mock test? Now this is the online mock test. In the online mock test, the same question 2A, I'll show it here. It was question 2A. The same question 2A, it is a 9 mark question was there. Now it is going to be an 8 mark. After the question is written, on the basis of above information, you are required to answer the following question. The minimum stock of A is ABCD. The maximum stock of B is ABCD. It is the options are given to you. You solve the question and give the answer. It means please inform the final answer of a step. Then give the answer of the next step. Then give the answer of the next step. Here also, even if you go for the physical examination, whatever you write the calculation, we are not bothered. You are getting marks only on the final answer of the calculations. Stepwise of 9 marks is there. We have informed you this marks here. Steps we have informed 2 marks. Each is a step. Each step is of 2 marks. We have converted 9 to the 8 mark. In the similar fashion, the questions will be there. If I take the last question of the question paper, the existing question paper. If it is a theory question paper, you will be getting a box to write answer. Now this was about the style of a question paper which we are changing. Coming back to the slides which we were discussing earlier, that we have not changed the structure of question paper. We have changed the manner of receiving the answer from you. Minor rationalization is only for rounding. Otherwise, no change in the style of question paper. Stepwise marking maintained. And I've shown you the system of change. Now, a lot of queries are coming. We should stop studying now because घर से exam होगा, cheating कर लेंगे. Having exam from home and cheating is not possible. It is more skewed. I repeat, I will be repeating number of times. It is more skewed exam than a physical examination. Exam security, the one system in the world is a human proctoring. Human proctoring means a person is sitting and monitoring 20 screens or 20 students at a time. It means you will be under the eye of a human. Like in invigilator in the physical classroom, he may be looking after 40 students or 50 students. Here, the system we have rationalized only 20. Every person will be monitoring you online. Your invigilator monitoring you online, 20 people at a time. It means his eye is on you at all the times. Moreover, in a physical examination, it may be possible for a few moments, few seconds, an invigilator is talking to one student, another student may take advantage of few seconds. Here it is not possible because that person is invigilator here. The human proctor is looking after 20 students simultaneously at a time. You will have no opportunity to look here and there or do any wrong things. You are under a human. Don't feel get exam from home means kuch bhi kar lenge, cheating kar lenge. Impossible. It is next to impossible. There is a second layer also which you will be surprised. It is a remote proctoring. One is a human, like an invigilator. Second is a remote. It was a computer-based monitoring, and it means it is a more secure. The reason being, presently you get only one teacher, one invigilator. Here I am giving you one invigilator also and one computer invigilator also. It means you are under the control of a two type of invigilator, more security. Now what this invigilator is going to do in a remote, your exam will start only when you show your face and the ID card. After verifying the ID card, your exam will start only. That human proctor will allow you after verifying the card. You have to be alone in the room when you're giving exam from home. You just see the moment you log in, what type of data is with us. Candidate logged in 2.0042 p.m. Instructions read by candidate 2.0043 p.m. Seconds भी साथ आ रहे हैं 43 seconds. At second 46, candidate system successfully checked. ये remote proctoring ने check किया. Assessment page loaded at second 52. At next 2 p.m. 1 minute 8 second, candidate opened group 1. After 2 seconds, candidate ID image saved. After next second, question paper retrieved. Next, assessment started. Every second monitoring is there. Every second what you are doing is being recorded, which is presently not possible in a invigilator system. Every second you are being monitored. You are with the camera in the present face, you are in the presence of camera all these seconds. Even in a classroom invigilator, he may be here there for a few seconds, talking to somebody, talking to some student, solving his problem, and others taking advantage. Here, nothing. You are always being under control of two invigilator. One, a person invigilator. Second, a computer invigilator, a remote proctoring. World over examinations are being conducted like this. Now, what this remote proctoring will reveal, you will be surprised to note. You cannot try to log in from more than one place. A report will come to us, your exam will be blocked or so. Multiple face detection. The moment somebody extra person is detected in the camera, your exam will stop. And human person is there. You have the physical invigilator to talk to him. नो फेस डिटेक्शन. आप कैमरा से हटेंगे, इमीडिएटली रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी सेकंड्स में हमारे पास रिपोर्ट्स. और हट भी गए, एग्जाम दे भी दिया तो बाद में भी कैंसिल कर देंगे, क्योंकि रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी 2:13 पे आपका फेस नहीं था. As a examination committee will immediately look into that particular seconds and decide on your examination. Seconds के लिए भी ये adjustment, cheating, हेराफेरी जो मर्जी कहिए नहीं कर पाएंगे. सेकंड्स में भी कुछ किया आपने तो आप स्पेशल रिपोर्ट में डिटेक्ट हो जाएंगे और स्पेशल रिपोर्ट्स की मॉनिटरिंग के अकॉर्डिंगली एग्जामिनेशन आपका हो ही नहीं पाएगा. अगर हो गया तो बाद में भी कैंसिल हो सकते हैं. नो फेस टेकन. इट मींस द पीपल हु आर राइटिंग ऑन दी प्लेटफॉर्म्स, सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म्स, अब पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, चीटिंग करेंगे. भाई इन्विजिलेटर के होते हुए तो 2 मिनट मिल सकते हैं, यहाँ तो 0 seconds. You will not get even a moment. Live video monitoring, every second you are in video, and that computer is capturing your image after few seconds, every few seconds. 15, 20 से 25 सेकंड, 30 सेकंड बाद आपकी फोटो ले रहा है वो. इट मींस आपके चेहरे का एंगल 90 डिग्री हुआ तो उसने डिटेक्शन बता देनी हमें कि इस स्टूडेंट ने 90 डिग्री को टर्न किया था इतने बज के इतने मिनट पे. और 90 डिग्री को टर्न किया तो किसी से बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो क्या? वो ह्यूमन इन्विजिलेटर अलग से देख रहा है आपको, कंप्यूटर इन्विजिलेटर अलग से देख रहा है. Live video monitoring, continuous image capturing. We will be having photograph of yours every few seconds. High volume sound detection. It means cheating करनी है, किसी से बात करेंगे, किससे बात करेंगे? आप आवाज तो निकालिए, रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी. इन्होंने ऊंची आवाज में बात की, यानी आवाज में बात की. पेपर देते हुए आवाज में तो बात नहीं करेंगे. हाई वॉल्यूम लिखिए या वॉल्यूम साउंड डिटेक्शन कर देते हैं हम. जैसे ही आपने बात की, ह्यूमन वाला अलग से नोट कर रहे हैं, आपको बात इमीडिएट पेपर ब्लॉक करेगा. भाई साहब क्या कर रहे हैं, दिखाइए कौन खड़ा है यहाँ पे, चेक कराइए रूम. और कंप्यूटर वाली मॉनिटरिंग रिकॉर्डिंग परमानेंट आ गई. हो सकता है ह्यूमन वाला को छोड़ दिया, अच्छा किससे बात कर रहे हो, ओ सर सॉरी सर गलती से बोल दिया, लेकिन रिकॉर्डिंग आपकी आ गई. हमारे पास स्पेशल रिपोर्ट पहुंच गई, कंप्यूटर रिपोर्ट, उसको कोई डिलीट नहीं कर सकता कोई. ये तो हमारे पास सामने आ गई. कंटिन्यूस इमेज कैप्चरिंग इज हाई वॉल्यूम रिपोर्ट इज देयर. वी कैन गो एंड लोकेट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग दैट पर्टिकुलर सेकंड. ऑडियो म्यूटेड, आप आवाज बंद करने की कोशिश करेंगे लैपटॉप में, इमीडिएटली पेपर आपका ब्लॉक हो जाएगा. फ्रीक्वेंट विंडो स्विच, वैसे तो ये हम अलाउ ही नहीं करेंगे, इसको हम देखेंगे कि आप विंडो चेंज ना कर पाएंगे. एग्जाम देते हुए जहां है उसी विंडो पे रहेंगे, किसी और विंडो पे नहीं जा पाएंगे. ये हमें हमारा डिसीजन इंस्टीट्यूट का होगा. और अगर अलाउ कर दिया तो आपको, यानी कि आप कोशिश करेंगे किसी गूगल पे जाने की, इम्पॉसिबल. नो, नथिंग विल ओपन. आपका कंप्यूटर हाईजैक हो जाएगा. नथिंग, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सर्च एनीथिंग. तो मेक श्योर दिस इज अ डबल सिक्योरिटी, multi-layered securities. And those who are writing on the सोशल मीडिया, ये पढ़ने की जरूरत है, चीटिंग करेंगे, प्लीज इस वीडियो को देखिए जरा, इसको भी भेजिए सबको कि नाउ इट इज नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल टू डू एनी रॉन्ग मीन्स. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. देयर आर 30+ क्वेश्चंस विद मी व्हिच आई हैव रीच्ड फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स थ्रू वेरियस प्लेटफॉर्म्स बाय व्हाट्सएप और अदर emails to me and to the chapter also. Their chapter I'm just reading. The question number 1, the most important, which is coming to me, is safety against cheating. I'm touching on the question 1, straight will link to the previous discussion. What are the safety measures for discouragement of cheating at home in online exam? मैंने शायद आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया. It is more secured exam than the physical. Remote proctoring in addition to the human, 2 people, human plus computer. Randomization of question answer. आप किसी से बात तो कर नहीं सकते, आप कहेंगे नहीं सेंटर पे बैठे हैं, साथ वाले से बात कर लेंगे. क्वेश्चन आंसर डिफरेंट कर दिया हमने, क्वेश्चन भी चेंज कर दिया, सीक्वेंस ऑफ क्वेश्चन चेंज कर दिया, सीक्वेंस ऑफ आंसर चेंज कर दिया. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. to go for the unfair means under this system. The question 1. It was your, I think I've satisfactorily replied to question 1. What are the safety measures for discouragement of cheating in home? I've replied you comfortably on that. Whether the question 2 is whether the exam will be objective type or MCQ. I've already shown you the sample paper. MCQ will remain MCQ, theory will remain theory, and practical questions. I repeat things. There are 3 type of questions. One is MCQ type of system, remain as it is. Theory question will remain as it is. There will be a box you need to write. Third, practical question, accountancy, costing, how to do. I have already discussed with you. Step-wise answers we will receive from you. Question practical वही रहेगा, हम आपसे step-wise answer लेंगे. So accordingly, question हमारे पास अभी क्या है? Whether exam will be objective MCQ? Answer is no. Existing pattern of questions, which is a mix of a theory, mix of a practical, mix of MCQ, filling the blanks. The same pattern will continue. Please refer to the previous question paper. Please refer to the mock test of the institute. Question number 3, which is coming to a query from you. Whether there will be a choice of a questions. Yeah, this query I preempted when we released the mock test. I also had that query. Please clarify that there will be choice of question, but I think we could not clarify in the instructions to the mock test somewhere. Whether the exam will be as per pattern of mock test. Yes, more or less it will be the same because I've shown you the same system. Mock test is the conversion of the existing pattern only. Mock test is based on the existing pattern only. Accordingly, we can safely say the pattern will be the same. But the next question is whether there will be choice in question like in physical exam. Yes. Whatever your existing question paper is there, existing systems are there, the same will carry over. If you are getting a choice in a question in the present system, you will get here also. Yes, in mock test is only for practice purposes. Here we have not given the choice. In a practice test, we have not given the choice. But in the real examination, you will get it based on the present system, no change. I've written here, minor change in the presentation of match the following. Yeah, match the following also converted to MCQ. Minor rationalization, rounding of marks, I have told you. Yes, choice of question will be there like in physical exam. Question number 4, whether it is mandatory to solve all questions? Answer is no. Like in the present system, you may solve some question, not solve other question. The same thing will continue. Definitely in the mock test, we are forcing you to solve all, but in the real examination, it will be the as per the present system. You may solve some, you may not solve some. And you can submit the paper without completing all. Question number 5, whether negative marking will be there in MCQ? No. The present pattern will continue. Present pattern has no negative marking. Accordingly, nothing, no negative marking in online also. Question 6, whether stepwise marking will be there? I've already shown you. Yes, stepwise marking is there. Question number 7, whether, very, very important here, whether change of answer will be possible before submission of exam. There will be some options in the while some question doing the questions. It will be go to next. It will do the question, go to next. There is an option pending for reference. Pending for reference. It will review the answer. It means some students are getting the confusion in the present mock test. We are writing the answer going to the next, and there are some question which we are putting under review. Review means अभी नहीं किया, बाद में करेंगे. तो क्या हम आंसर चेंज कर पाएंगे सबमिट करने से पहले? किसका कर पाएंगे, रिव्यू का या दूसरे का भी? माय रिप्लाई इज चेंज एनी आंसर, यानी जो आपने सॉल्व कर दिया उसको भी चेंज कर सकते हैं, जो आपने रिव्यू में रख दिया कि बाद में देखेंगे उसको भी चेंज कर सकते हैं या कर सकते हैं. कोई भी आंसर किसी भी समय आप चेंज कर सकते हैं पेपर सबमिट करने से पहले. आप क्वेश्चन 8 कीजिए, फिर 2 कीजिए, फिर 6 कीजिए, फिर 4 कीजिए, कोई भी सीक्वेंस में काम कीजिए, कोई भी आंसर कर दीजिए, बाद में चेंज कर दिया, सब कुछ पॉसिबल है. मार्क्ड फॉर रिव्यू कैन बी चेंज्ड, क्वेश्चन डन कैन बी चेंज्ड, because you are not submitting the one question, one answer to the institute. You are submitting the complete paper. Please be careful to read the instruction. Submit का बटन है या सेव का बटन है, कहीं एंड ऑफ एग्जाम का बटन पे मत जाइएगा, बड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा. इन द मॉक टेस्ट द बटन सबमिट ends the paper. So please see, be careful. You have not to end the paper. You have to save the question and go to the next. Please read the instruction carefully. And you will also be getting one original paper. So this is the mock test also. There may be a minor change in one naming of the button also. The actual examination will be there. This is a mock test, practice test. There will be a mock exam also in the real scenario. Exactly what will be the mode of presentation. That will also happen in the coming weeks. Special exam will be there. A special exam before the original exams where you can see the exact buttons and all, so that you save, go to next, previous, and that you can also learn. But change of answer, yes, possible in all situations. One of the queries is whether coverage from different chapter. The spelling is also wrong what the student has given. Coverage from different chapter will remain same, like chapter A 30, chapter B 20, chapter C. We have changed the only, we have, what I have replied till now is that we have maintained the same structure of the question paper, subject to minor 1 mark here and therefore rounding. We are not going to the change in the syllabus also. Whatever the structure is there, coverage is there, whatever is already announced in the present system, the same will continue. Chapter A 30 or whatever the system subject wise, whatever you have the present structure, same will continue. We are not changing the balancing of the paper. Same balance, same question paper system will continue. Now, query is on typing speed. That typing theory question in accounts and costing is okay. What about the typing of questions in a law paper? Now, again, I've already given you this, shown you the paper. I've informed that existing pattern is a mixture, MCQ, fill in the blank, short question, case study based question, is a mixture. When this paper, 25 marks paper, which we have seen in costing, it is also in law. Please, before a student need to go to the law paper first. What was the last year pattern? Please see that. You will not find any long answer question. You will find the same system of a 25 mark mixture of MCQ, fill in the blank, short question, case study based questions, or basic questions. And even the laws, because the question is on law, subject like law, I have given the answer at the bottom. In law, there are questions based on case study also. A company has issued the notice of AGM on such and such date, it is posted on such and such date, received on such and such date, AGM on such and such date, whether valid, not valid, please advise as per law. Case-based studies questions are also there. It means in addition to the MCQ of 25 marks, there are case study based questions not less than 30 marks. It means presently you are going to reply the case study based questions in a detailed theory. Sir, the law is this, our case talks of this, and my case falls under that law. Accordingly, the notice of AGM is valid. You are explaining the things. Here, a case-based study questions are converted to the MCQ format. We are asking you, please tell us whether the AGM notice is valid or not. It means that question has been converted in the similar manner. Question will remain the same, the case study. The receiving of answer has been shifted. Accordingly, there will be lesser question for a detailed typing. Moreover, even if you see the theory questions in the law paper, please open the law paper first. The student has given me this question, but he or she needs to please see the law paper first. Bigger questions are not there, lengthy questions are not there. Even descriptive questions are very, very short questions. Please look into it, and accordingly, typing speed issue will not be there because the cost questions are of short. Moreover, I will give you further input. There in every examination, maybe it's our examination, any other institute examination, there's a number of times the complaints come, the issues come after the examination. Sir, paper was out of syllabus, paper was tough. Don't you think the any institute doesn't listen to you? Every institute listen to you, the hard paper. Sir, complete नहीं हुआ paper वो hard था, इधर tough था, out of syllabus था. So all such things are referred to the institute by the head examiner, and finally the institute takes a call on the grace marks. And also, like in the present paper system, also we always listen to the head examiner. Paper lengthy था जी कुछ grace चाहिए, paper tough था जी grace चाहिए, something like that. The same point is here. If the head examiner will have a feeling that the typing speed has affected your 3 hours, it was not easy. If such issues come, we are there to help you that in the base marks. That the existing systems are already there. Lengthy paper, hard paper, something systems are there. I'm 100% sure that you will not face any typing speed issue. And if it is there, we are there to help you out in that. In the present system also, that we have the rules regulations for supporting the base mark system. Though I'm sure that problem will not come because a lot of questions or case study questions have been converted to the MCQ mode. You will have ample time. Question number 10. The question has been raised that whether time taken to next question will be counted. In the mock test, some student on the first day faced some waiting issue. because the bandwidth of the mock test was slow. It was slow in the first day because we are not expecting that everybody will try to practice on the day one. And accordingly, speed was slow on day one. On second day or maybe second day, or we improved the speed or the backend server we improved, and now is okay. So because the question has come because the students have faced certain time gap in going to the next question on the day one. So my answer is a time of 3 hours is for all full exam, including the reading the question paper, going to the next question. Because I cannot identify this time. You start with question 2, go to 8, go to 7, then 7 to 1, 1 to 3. You can shuffle anywhere. Present system also, you read the question paper number of times. Sometimes first page, sometimes fourth page, sometimes third page and all. In a similar manner, here also you may be shuffling to various questions and that time will be counted. It will be beginning and end 3 hours only. And don't worry, from our end, it will be adequate bandwidth, adequate server capacity will be there so that you are able to go to next question in an appropriate manner and without wasting any time. It will be very, very comfortable. Smooth systems will be there. And all over the practices are there. That question beginning and end has a time. All over world, the professional examinations are based on that only, and no separate time is identified for that shuffling. Time management. Again, I think I've replied still, I can discuss. If descriptive questions are asked, it shall really be difficult for student to conclude paper within 3 hours. I've already discussed specifically, the question was for law, that the whole paper is not descriptive. Please, for us good success, please read the old question paper of all subjects. In all subjects, you will find 25 marks MCQ, fill in the blanks and other things. The things are continuing. Case study being questions converted. The descriptive questions are very lesser in number. Please see the old pattern also. Therefore, it will not be difficult to conclude the paper in 3 hours. Moreover, detailed working is not required. Even it is a practical question. You are solving accountancy and costing in a rough. Detailed working we are not asking. You will save time. Similar in theory also, MCQ question, case-based question converted to MCQ. Detailed working is not there or detailed theory is not there. According descriptive questions are very limited. Please see the papers. Oh, very the query specifically for the North Indian students, or specifically to Rajasthan also, including Rajasthan, UP, some of the states where the Hindi is very high. How the Hindi medium students will be able to attempt the question. Yes, we are aware of this problem and we are working on it, but don't worry, we will take your examination. I repeat the thing, Hindi medium student, don't worry, we will take the examination. You need to prepare in the same pattern as per the existing question paper pattern or system. That you know, that the question paper is going in the similar fashion. Online exam answer is going to the fashion as per mock test. Please practice the same systems, and very shortly in the coming days we will inform you how we will be taking your paper. We understand in case of a theory question, Hindi typing computer is not convenient. We know this. We are working that you may write by hand. We click a photo and upload it. We are working on that, and please wait for the notification. But don't worry, we'll take your exam. You continue to practice, we'll take your exam. And the apparent solution is this only, that you write by hand and we'll click a photograph. We are just looking into the security measures and all, and after looking into that, we will issue the formal notification also. Bandwidth low or power failure. What will happen if while solving paper, power failure is there? Relogin option is there, but again, it has to be understood. Power failure of 10 minutes or 5 minutes or 1 hour, we have to be assured that you have not gone for any unfair mean during that off time. Though it is not easy for anybody to remember the questions, because nothing option will be there, no camera, nothing. You cannot copy the question, write the question, nothing. If it's genuine failure, yes, you need to talk to the proctor. Considering the situation, he may be allowing to you. Proctor will be there monitoring you. You will be having his contact numbers also. Suppose such issue comes, you need to talk to him. He may be allowing you within a reasonable time. If he feels it was a genuine reason and no unfairness is expected, he may be allowing you. Relogin is possible. We are allowing you, relogin is possible. You need to talk to only the proctor who is monitoring you. Whether re-exam will be allowed in case of technical failure, like in exam foundation. The question has come, but very clear. There was no technical failure in the foundation. Foundation was such a robust examination, 60,000 plus practice tests. And when the examination happened, you will not believe that 7,300 students approximately appeared. And across India, there were, I think, lesser than or around 30 normal login problems, because we had allowed that you should log in 15 minutes, like the physical exam, not allowed after 15 minutes. Some people tried after 15 minutes, laptop opening problem or something, that couldn't do the examination. Only less than 30 out of the whole India. We allowed re-examination for all the absentees. We allowed all the absentees also. You just see, out of 30 complaints, how many students appeared? 325 approximately students appeared finally. Because we allowed all the absentees, you come after 2-3 days and give the re-examination. People were happy. Oh, large number of students appeared. Why I missed? I should go. We allowed all. And final, the complaint was exactly zero, zero, zero technical issue. Even in the first day also, there was a 30 issues. It was not a technical issue. It was a not student not knowing that in exam will block in 15 minutes, or it took time for them to open the laptop or start the laptop. 30 complaints, not zero complaint in the final exam. So I'm not expecting a technical issue, because we are offering you practice test, mock test. Thereafter, there is going to be a mock examination also, and don't face any such type of issue will be there. However, if such issue is there, we are at the back end, we will be ready for the examination within 2-3 days also for any leftover student in case of a genuine technical issues. We will at the back end will be ready. We are not formally announcing, we will issue the notification thereafter only if the need is there. But don't worry, we will take care of you. In case of technical issue, we will go for re-examination immediately. It will be only home-based, because technical issue is not expected in the center-based. Whether rough sheets will be allowed in the examination? Yes, in case of practical questions, there is a need to solve a question in the rough. It is required, and we will allow you rough sheets. At the start of the examination, you need to show your rough sheet in camera to your proctor. I'm carrying this rough sheet, I'm keeping it with me. I'm keeping the rough sheet with me, this is the sheet. You have to show in the camera, keep with you. This is a home-based exam. If you are in a center, don't carry any sheets. You will get sheets in the center itself. Now another question comes. I heard somebody, one of friends saying, oh, no pen pencil required at center. Here, please note, pen, pencil, calculator, please carry the own. We will take care of only the sheets in the center. Pen, pencil, calculator, whichever you're comfortable with, you have to carry your own. Calculator means wherever allowed, in whichever subject it is allowed. Please carry your own pen, pencil in the center also. And in the home-based exam also, please carry in advance. You will not be allowed to leave the screen. Before start of examination, please ensure you are carrying all pen, pencil, calculator at your home-based exam also. You will not allowed to leave the chair thereafter. What things are allowed during exam? Whether water bottle is allowed? Yes. Water bottle should be kept on the table in such a manner that you can pick it with hand. कि आपको उठ के नहीं जाना, चेयर से साथ पड़ी होगी, टेबल से ले लीजिए, पास में पड़ी होनी चाहिए. और इस ढंग से यूज करेंगे बॉटल को कि कैमरा को ब्लॉक नहीं करेंगे आप. While using the water bottle, please make sure you are not disturbing the camera like this. You have to ensure that you are drinking the water without disturbing the camera. Whether food beverages will be allowed? Answer is no. No cold drink, no soft drink, no tea, coffee, no nothing, no food during examination. Whether I can leave for an emergency, whether I can go to a toilet. Generally, in the examination, these things are not allowed. For a toilet, it is not allowed. The instructions are generally that you will not be allowed to leave the seat when you are in the examination. You should preferably allow it that you should sit for the examination without asking for the break. But still, if there is extremely necessary, you have a proctor with you. You can call him, send him a message, and you can talk to him. There, in case it is extremely necessary, don't think it's not allowed as per the general systems of online examination. Only in case it is extremely necessary, you may make a request. And it's up to the discretion of the proctor. We are not going to write. It is up to his discretion that yes, it is emergency. He has to leave for up to 3 minutes or so. It is up to the proctor. He may allow or may not allow. It's preferably you should not ask for such breaks. Can I appear from a cyber cafe for a better speed or so? Definitely, some of students will be feeling like it. Students in a city where the center is not their exam center, and they feel, can I go to cyber cafe? Here we have not given any instructions, but we have to see the practicality. In a home-based exam, there is one instruction that you have to be alone in the room. होम बेस्ड एग्जाम में आपको कमरे में अकेले बैठने हैं एंड सपोज यू गो टू अ साइबर कैफे आई थिंक साइबर कैफे आर नॉट अलाउइंग यू अलोन इन अ रूम विदाउट डिस्टर्बेंस जैसे ही कहीं से आवाज आई किसी दूसरे पर्सन की साइबर कैफे में आपका ये प्रॉक्टर पकड़ लेगा रिमोट प्रॉक्टर कहेगा ऊंची आवाज में बात हुई एग्जाम ब्लॉक कर दीजिए sound of disturbance will stop the examination so cyber cafe as they don't allow independent room to you single room to you I think it will not possible we are not banning the cyber cafe but you need to be alone in a room where you are appearing and that you have to see the moment disturbance is there your exam will be in problem alone in a room that is the real rule you have to follow can you give the can we give the mobile through examination like foundation answer is no there is a descriptive question it will be very difficult for you to type a theory question from the mobile so we are not allowing any mobile based examination can I use my own laptop at center मैंने सेंटर को ऑप्ट किया है सेंटर बेस्ड एग्जामिनेशन क्या मैं घर से लैपटॉप ले जाऊं सेंटर पे आंसर इज क्लियर कट नो अगर आप सेंटर पे जा रहे हैं तो सेंटर का ही लैपटॉप कंप्यूटर होगा वहां पे when we will choose this option okay institute has informed that you can choose center you can choose home lekin kab karenge choose notification expected very soon maybe in 2 3 4 days maybe tentatively you will get the option it will be the option choose center option second will be choose home based exam third will be opt out examination कि हम एग्जाम नहीं देना चाहते तीनों ऑप्शंस अभी 2-3 दिन में आ जाएंगी रिलीज हो जाएंगी And next question has come to me yesterday. I have applied for 2 groups. Can I opt 1 group? As of now, such option is not there. But considering your question, we have already discussed at institute. Yes, we will allow this. That you can opt out 1 group out of the 2 group. This will be allowed. Considering your suggestion, we have considered it and it is being allowed. 2 में से एक ग्रुप को आप ड्रॉप करना चाहें तो कर सकते हैं. You have selected center based exam later on declared at cantonment zone कि आपने सेंटर में एग्जाम देना है सेंटर चूज कर लिया बाद में वो कोविड कंटेनमेंट जोन गवर्नमेंट ने कह दिया मैं सेंटर चेंज करना चाहता हूं कैसे होगा yes we agree to it ना if the government has declared it as a containment zone definitely you cannot go to the center to the containment we will at that moment yes we are there to help you out but it will definitely we can help you for the home based only in that situation in that case you have to see from where you take the laptop or so because in the same place in the containment zone immediately center may not be available with us but home based exam definitely we will be there to support you number of attempts for mock test presently we are giving 5 attempts per subject can the number of attempts be increased for mock test students कह रहे हैं प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा करना है 5 अटेम्प्ट्स कम है क्या इसको बढ़ाया जा सकता है Considering this question, which has come to me only about around at 7 p.m. or maybe 6:30 p.m. from the Bihar chapter only, students कुछ question मेरे पास आया, so we have discussed as an institute just before the start of this event, and yes, we are agreeable to your suggestion that you need more attempts or your request that please allow more attempts. Yeah, we will go for enhancement. Several capacities are there. We will don't worry. And we have planned that within first week of November, we will increase the attempt to 10. Presently, आपको 5 attempt की लिमिट है. आप ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं, तो आपको 10 attempt भी कर देंगे. आने वाले वीक में हम कर देंगे. आपने सजेशन दिया, आज ही मिला सजेशन और हमने इसको कंसीडर कर लिया. We will increase the number of attempts. Will there be mock test like foundation? मैंने पहले बता दिया आपको. I already discussed that there will be the exact examination also. Presently, mock test is a practice test. Mock examination, it means it is a real examination as per the real platform. Real platform may have a one switch here and there. Will there be a real mock examination like the foundation? Answer is yes. Now you are going to appear in a 4 paper or 8 paper, single group or double group. So for the purpose of mock examination, we will give you 2 examination only. पर्पस तो क्या है, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस आपकी हो जाएगी, पर्पस है कि आपको एक बार प्लेटफॉर्म से गो थ्रू करवाना है, मॉक टेस्ट के क्या स्विच है, कैसे अंदर जाना है, कैसे बाहर आना है, कैसे सबमिट करना है. So for the purpose of mock examination, the real situation examination, real buttons of the examination, you will be allowed two subjects, one theory, one practical. Paper will be from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Be spare one day. अपनी preparation से एक दिन निकाल के रखिए for appearing in this examination so that you know the real presentation of the system. And that will be examination tentatively after 20th November only. After 20th November only, it will be one day. Replica of the original exam will be there. Replica of the original exam. Please be careful. Look at the switches at that time. Submit का बटन क्या है, next क्या है, previous क्या है, review क्या है. But in any case, कोई भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर चेंज हो सकता है before final submission. ये आप नोट कर रखिए. So be careful. You see the final submit next previous buttons and all in the final mock examination, which will be after 20th November any day. Question 27, which is from student, that difference in level of exam paper. Will there be any difference in level of question paper in case of home-based and center-based? No. Home-based, because you are having a laptop, you are feeling at comfort. Center-based only because some students told that we don't have a laptop at home. So it is only giving a infrastructure support to the student not having the laptop. Otherwise, question paper is the same whether you are sitting at home, whether you are sitting at center. It is a total papers are paper same. Definitely, I've already told you shuffling will be there, sequence in the questions, sequence in the answer. That is the IT sequence things are there. That will be there. Otherwise, the question paper overall will be the same in the center, whether it is a home based or the center based. One of the queries, sir, I have given the exam form. There is no confirmation mail or message. I've discussed this issue. The institute, they say, if this is the situation, it is most probably the student's payment of the fees is pending. Otherwise, normally the confirmation goes. It may be something is pending, maybe fees is missing or something is missing. Still, the student who have given this query or others who may have this query in mind can send the mail to exam.helpdesk@icma.in. And if your query is still not solved and there is a delay, you can contact the director also, exam.director@icma.in. First, write to the exam.helpdesk in case of any inquiry, maybe for this query or similar query, exam.helpdesk@icma.in. And if you face no replies there or query is you're not got satisfactory reply or no reply, you go for and contact the director examination at exam.director@icma.in. Can I edit my mobile number and email ID? I want to change my email ID and phone number. Yes, you will be allowed. Don't worry. When it will be allowed, I'm giving you. When this option will come in next 3-4 days, select a center, select a home base, select an opt out. The moment you will select the home based examination or center based examination, that link will take you to the basic information where you will be able to edit the mobile and email. I repeat, whenever you select the option of your examination, the link will automatically take you to please change your mobile or email if required. So don't worry, it will come automatically while selecting this options. Question number 30, mock test for final कब आएगा? Mock test, yes, definitely we planned that it will be within 1 week of the intermediate, but we are at the review of the final stage. We are reviews at the final stages. It is still expected further 4-5 days will take, and maybe around 2nd November or so, maybe upper limit 1 week, because we are in the final stages of verification of that mock test. We are verification of the questions only. Otherwise, the paper styles are the same. We are just verifying the final questions and answers. Shortly will do. Can these exams be further delayed? As of today, I would say the exam will be as per announced schedule only. Accordingly, please prepare as per this only. Contingency, government tomorrow says there is a government restriction, lockdown, center-based nahi hoga. When such things come, we will review the things. Or maybe if the exigency is there, we will review in the November end. If such exigency is there, we'll review that time. As of now, please prepare as per the original schedule. Will the level of exam come down? Will it affect के स्पेलिंग भी गलत है जैसे स्टूडेंट भेजा वैसे कॉपी पेस्ट किया हमने will it affect job prospects? My reply is there will be no effect on job prospects because level of exam is not going down. World over, similar pattern is being followed since years together. Organizations are aware of the change in the IT systems. The organizations have seen in this lockdown period or maybe in the last 6-7 months, work from home systems have been followed. They have seen how the meetings are conducted, how the work is being done. and how successful the work from home things are also there. Accordingly, security, the people are aware today. In India, more than 700 universities are there. The number of universities have gone for online also. Why you are thinking that it is this level is gone down? 700 plus universities. Please go to the UGC website and see how many hundreds of universities have already conducted online examination this year. Whether it is degrading education, answer is no. The organizations are aware it is more secure examination. Accordingly, no effect on job. Whether every year the institute will conduct online exam? Yes, the answer is yes. Online is has been welcomed by all stakeholders. Maybe the student, the faculty, the other institutes, the government, even the entrepreneurs are welcoming this step, revolutionary step for the professional institutes in India, the first amongst all institutes in the professional institutes in India. And since all are happy and looking after that, why we have not followed, and other institutes will be following the same pattern soon. It's going to be online. It is a global scenario. We have to be tuned to the times. New generation, you are a new generation, and we in the institute have to move with you. No, you are a student in new generation. We have to move with your speed. The IT movements and others world over, the leading professional institutes are already going for this methodology only. Whether June attempt will be counted for future purposes. Generally, the attempts are counting for the purpose of assumption or carry forward of marks, or maybe the de novo registration for the 7-year period. Don't worry, this attempt is null and void for the purpose of counting for any purpose. This attempt will not be counted for any purpose. Now, my questions are over with these 34 questions. Now, there are 2-3 general queries, personal queries from students, but I thought of bringing it here only so that those students can also listen to it. I think these queries have come from Bihar only, but the word is Chennai. Sir, I've tried and just now only got my mobile for online classes. I'm unable to buy laptop, sir. My parents too not good mood to send me for exam center. Can I use my mobile phone, sir? Dear student, we agree to this position, but only considering the position of yours and similar students or my other children having in the same position unable to buy a laptop. So that's why we shifted the exam from September to December so that we can plan for the exam center to support you. Needless to say that exam center will be with the properly social distancing norms, all COVID-related restrictions, whatever the government restrictions are there, protocols are there, all protocols of the government will be followed at the exam center. Please visit the exam center. That is the only option I have for you. Please tell me what is the pattern of intermediate online exam. I'm very surprised to read this question. That's why I brought it. Many of us having confusion about this. भाई जब ऑनलाइन एग्जाम आया तो नोटिफिकेशन आ गई, प्लेटफॉर्म आ गया, देख लिया, ये क्वेश्चन कहां से आया? प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज द पैटर्न ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट ऑनलाइन एग्जाम. सर पैटर्न बता दिया मैंने, मॉक टेस्ट ने बता दिया. Many of us having confusion about this. Okay, they are sending they are sending in WhatsApp group as many as fake patterns. भाई जब आप ये लिख रहे हैं कि फेक पैटर्न व्हाट्सएप पे आ रहे हैं, इसका मतलब आपको ओरिजिनल पैटर्न पता है. You are aware of the original pattern. That's why you're writing there are fake patterns in the WhatsApp group. Please give us clear answer on it. Sir, I've already given the clear answer, dear student. I've already given the clear answer. If it is descriptive and objectives, what will be the differentiation between written and online exam? There is no difference on the mode of answer is different. I've already replied to all these points. And in case you fail, the patterns are fake, please refer to the official notification. This is all mock test is there, official notifications are there. Next general query. How we shall be able to present diagram, map? I specifically brought this question, map, etc. And what practical subject? Now, dear student, whoever has given this question, sir, which subject you are talking? Whether you're talking of your school or a college? Which diagram, which map? Please tell me the subject where you are having the map. Are you talking of some school time classes? Which diagram, which map? I don't have any diagram in any of these subjects. Sir. I don't have map in any of the subjects. Please see if it is there. Please refer the question again to us. What practical subjects involving questions? We have given all the details earlier. I intentionally brought this question to tell that please go to the mock test first. Read the pattern before raising the question. Can a student who is registered in India and now out of India be possible for him to give exam? Yes. A student may have chosen the Delhi center or Chennai center or any other center. Now we are giving the option. Go for home exam also. Home doesn't mean your residence or out of India. Yes, he can give the examination from wherever he's staying. It's possible. The last, please advise strategies to success. This is the last slide for discussion. How to succeed in examination. There's definitely, I normally address a student for the whole day on this matter. Today the things are different, but I cannot leave you without telling this. Dear student, pattern of examination is very important for any success. सक्सेस तब मिलेगा जब आपको ये पता होगा कि एग्जाम कैसा आने वाला है. मुझे लगता है कि अगर ये मैं ना स्लाइड्स आपको दिखाता ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन की मॉक टेस्ट की, शायद आपको पैटर्न ही पता नहीं चलता. इन केस ऑफ अ फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन, you are going to the center and reading the question paper, then coming to know the pattern. Majority of the student do this: reach the center, open the question paper, then read the pattern of the examination from the question paper. These are the majority of students. Present system also, majority of the student do not know the pattern of examination because they have not been told. Majority, I'm talking majority of student. Pattern is very, very important to know. And in this online, we have already advised you the pattern, meaning thereby now more students know the pattern of examination. In a physical examination, lesser student knew the pattern of examination because they never referred to the old paper. They have never studied the old paper. To succeed, pattern is very important so that you can make a plan to succeed. Oh, 25 mark, very short questions. Oh, very easy to pass. I should practice like that. Oh, last question is theory. I should do all the theory question. I should get the marks. Because strategy of success is from where to study, how to study. If you know the pattern, it is very easy to study. So accordingly, since we are advising through this platform and other chapters have also started discussions, or the online platform, a lot of faculties have also started making their videos how to give the exam. I'm sure these examination results are going to be very, very good results, because now large number of students will be aware of the pattern, that this paper is objective, this is practical, this is, and since the student knowing the pattern, it is easy for him to prepare for examination. And in earlier physical exam, large number of students were not aware of pattern because they were not referring, they were not advised. This attempt result will be excellently well. The moment student knows the pattern, his strategies become easier. Maximum students are now aware of the availability of question papers. I will suggest, please download old question paper from the website also. Please practice like the normal you practice. There are two things to practice. पुराने paper download कीजिए, practice कीजिए. Because the pattern is not changed. The moment you download it and practice, you will come to know how the theory question have to be applied. Theory question में क्या लिखना है वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा. Please refer to the old question paper for practice, then refer to the mock test for practice. When you practice as per the pattern, your success is bound to explode. Excellently, success will be there. And with this, I conclude my presentation with all best wishes to all and open for questions. Open for questions. Yes, over to organizing team.
Now, I would request to Ms. Nikita ji. Nikita Butra ji.
Hello. Good evening, sir. No such queries left, sir. Actually, every doubts are solved already.
Okay.
Just now one query has come in. I'm sorry to be speaking in between. If we misplace the identity card, how can we reapply? It's just now come on WhatsApp. If we misplace the identity card, how can we reapply for it?
You write to the director.studies and he will take care. Director.studies. And moreover, for the examination purpose, we will be allowing more options also, like Aadhaar card and other options we will also allow. You can apply for duplicate card to director.studies, and we will respond to you. And moreover, the query is there. The duplicate form is also there on the website. In the website, we have the option. If you have not seen the platform, if the student has not seen the platform, our present platform has all the replies to all the queries. Right to director examination for duplicate card. And I mean, on the platform also, show you the platform also. Fine. other query?
Someone raised the hand. Someone raised the hand. 1 plus 17 name.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Sir, in AMA, you have the diagram for the CPM, critical path method.
I've just read it. I'll just read this query. I'll just note it down and will respond to it. So the question, I'm replying your question for everybody. I've just read a chat on the chat. There is a diagram in PERT. Per CPM?
Critical path method.
Critical path method, there is a diagram.
APM.
Fine. I'll look into it and accordingly we'll see that the questions of diagrams are in such a manner so that you don't face any difficulty. I'll note down this query and we'll solve it. Don't worry for explanation. We'll try that this problem. AMA paper number AMA.
15, sir.
You can take my number also. You can follow up with me also on this matter, and I will reply to all also through these two platforms also. Critical path, right? Okay. I'll check that diagram issues.
Thank you.
So, yeah. So actually, I wanted to ask that, like, as you mentioned, everything is going to be similar for the finals and all. And once you mentioned that the Hindi thing is getting considered, so also for the theory answers, is it getting considered in English language as well?
We have examined it. It is not a convenient option. Even Hindi is not yet finalized. English, it is not convenient. We have examined it. Practically, security of exam is not there in case of a home. We have to monitor in a different manner in case of a selected Hindi students. So
okay.
Normally, it is not allowed physical examination. As a Hindi, we know it, and we are trying to see that more security is there, whatever he is writing or not. Even in a home-based examination, it is still possible. In a center-based, it is becoming difficult. But English is not possible. We already examined it. It's not possible for allowing this to English-based examination. For security reason, it is not easy.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Any other query?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So what about if a candidate writes all the question on a rough paper and go for natural calls and give that particular handwritten paper on rough to a teacher, and teacher will same pass to student after answer all the questions?
I'm saying you will not ordinarily, you will not be allowed to leave the chair. It is at the discretion. He may allow, he may not allow. Ordinarily, in online examination, you will not be allowed to leave the chair. I'm saying okay, exceptionally. Exceptionally means आप कहेंगे सर वॉशरूम जाना ही जाना है, मेरे को कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. So now what system he will feel? वो क्या बोलेगा आपको, प्रॉक्टर कैमरा किधर कीजिए या कैसे रखिए, मैं आपकी मूवमेंट देखने जा रहा हूँ, किस रूम की तरफ जा रहे हैं, कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, रूम खाली, वो क्या प्रोटोकॉल देखिएगा, उसका काम है 2-3 मिनट अलाउ करने के लिए. अलाउ करेगा नहीं करेगा उसकी चॉइस है. इट्स नॉट अ राइट टू डू. बिकॉज टुडे ओनली द क्वेरी हैज कम, सर मजबूरी में जाना होगा तो क्या करेंगे, आप वॉशरूम नहीं जाने देंगे. तो ठीक है, इट विल बी एट द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द थिंग. तो टीचर कहाँ होगा, होम बेस में टीचर भी नहीं होगा. तो वो अलाइबिलिटी अगर 2-3 मिनट की होगी, वो कैमरा चेक करके होगी, नहीं तो नहीं जाने देंगे आपको.
Okay, sir. And sir, what if, sir, sometimes webcam shows us only upper part of body, and sometimes mobiles are in reach of a candidate because of Wi-Fi and some network connectivity. So, sir, what if, candidate opens PDF of something notes and all?
Okay.
And how can this prevent?
पहली बात ये है कि कंप्यूटर में कोई और स्क्रीन पे आपको जाने नहीं देंगे हम. दैट इज फर्स्ट थिंग. कंप्यूटर में जिस स्क्रीन पर एग्जाम है वो स्क्रीन ब्लॉक हो जाएगी, वही रहेंगे. पहली बात. दूसरी बात मैंने बताया था, कंप्यूटर मॉनिटरिंग में आपने इधर देखा 90 डिग्री, रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी कि इन्होंने दूर देखा, नॉर्मल ह्यूमन फेस डिवर्जन से दूर गए. तो नीचे देखेंगे, साइड देखेंगे, वो सारी मूवमेंट हमारे पास रिकॉर्ड में आ जाएगी, एबनॉर्मल रिकॉर्ड में आ जाएगी. ही हैज मूव्ड हिज फेस एबनॉर्मली. ऊपर से ह्यूमन वाला तो देख ही रहे हैं, अब नीचे देख रहे होंगे, वो कैमरा में ह्यूमन देख रहा है, इन्विजिलेटर, वो कहेगा भाई साहब नीचे क्या देख रहे, बताइए मेरे को, पहले दिखाई नीचे क्या है. तो ह्यूमन पर्सन विल नॉट अलाउ यू. नंबर 1, ह्यूमन पर्सन विल नॉट अलाउ यू टू लुक डाउन. नंबर 2, द कंप्यूटर विल report us that you were looking at an abnormal angle. तो दो तरह से पकड़े जाएंगे क्या. पहले तो ह्यूमन वाला ही अलाउ नहीं करेगा नीचे देखने को. इमीडिएटली क्या नीचे को देख रही है, नीचे को देख रहे हैं, मुझे कैमरा से दिखाइए क्या पड़ा है यहाँ पे. पेपर रुक जाएगा भाई, पेपर वहीं रोक देंगे आपका ह्यूमन वाले। इन्विजिलेटर है आपके पास, ये मानिए इन्विजिलेटर है, और ऐसा इन्विजिलेटर है चेहरा भी इधर उधर नहीं करने देगा। फिजिकल में तो इधर उधर चेहरा हो जाता है तो 90 डिग्री, ऑनलाइन में चेहरा भी नहीं इधर उधर करने देंगे आप।
Okay, sir. But sir, what if in case of genuine reasons, when we are solving a practical question, we have to look down.
मैं तो कह रहा हूँ
So,
जेन्युइन
how
रीजन
can-
क्या होगा, डॉक्टर पूछेगा बस क्या कर रहे हैं आप, ये जी मैं ये डायग्राम बनाना सब रखा है, देख लीजिए, मैटर ओवर। इफ इट इज जेन्युइन रीजन, ही विल से प्लीज शो मी व्हाट यू टाइम, ही विल शो एंड इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके अलाउड।
Yes.
Okay.
So,
अगर आपने नीचे
when we
देखा,
come-
आपने नीचे देखा और डॉक्टर ने पूछा नीचे क्या कर रही है, और आप जेन्युइनली देख रहे, गलत वैसे देख रहे थे, कुछ चीटिंग नहीं है, डॉक्टर क्या कहेगा, दिखाइए नीचे क्या पड़ा है, आप इमीडिएटली क्या जैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो सर देख लीजिए मेरे हाथ में कुछ, टेबल के नीचे देख लीजिए, टेबल के नीचे देख लीजिए, कुछ नहीं है, इतना ही होगा, वो देख लेगा, ही विल सैटिस्फाइड, वो इन्विजिलेटर है, इस बात नहीं।
Yeah, so actually I was asking for the practical questions that we are talking about. So there are subjects where we need to solve the sums, like the balance sheet is given and then we need to solve the sums and all of that. So like how will we do that online?
Basically, question will not be like to prepare the balance sheet. Question will be asking some elements of it. Suppose the question is prepare the balance sheet. Suppose just I have seen the accounts examination also. There is nothing question called prepare full balance sheet. Suppose even if it is there, it will give you please inform the figure of fixed assets, 2 marks. Please inform the figure of cash balance, 2 marks. Please inform the capital balance, 2 marks. आंसर हम इस ढंग से लेंगे ताकि आप रफ में बैलेंस शीट बना लीजिए, हमें उसकी इंपॉर्टेंट फिगर दे दीजिए जिसके हमें मार्क्स दे रहे हैं। पहले भी स्टेप वाइज मार्किंग होती है, पूरी बैलेंस शीट के मार्क्स नहीं होते, बैलेंस शीट के अलग अलग फिगर के अलग अलग मार्क्स होते हैं। तो इन केस में क्वेश्चन आ भी जाते हैं तो वो बैलेंस शीट की वो आइटम पूछ लेंगे आपसे, आप रफ में बैलेंस शीट बनाएंगे, रफ में बैलेंस शीट बनाएंगे, हमें वो फिगर बता देंगे, जो पूछेंगे आपसे।
Because like out of the everything that we spoke about, so there won't be anything no where we'll be having some typing issues or where we'll be having to make tables and all of that, because
No,
then
okay.
in 3 years we won't be able to complete it.
Because one question has come very genuinely, because while discussing I feel the question is wrong on diagram, but still I'm open, if something is there please refer, and the concerned student refer to me. I will relook personally in all the question papers or all the subjects. I'll see to it that all question papers, not only AMA, let all the inter and final papers be looked into, that you don't face any trouble in the diagram. ऑनलाइन एग्जाम में डायग्राम बनाना नहीं आएगा मान लीजिए आपसे, तो वो मल्टीपल चॉइस पूछेंगे। आई विल इंश्योर दैट that type of questions are not there or are converted appropriately. I'll see that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now Harsh Mangnani. Mr. Harsh Mangnani.
Yes, sir. Yes. Can I turn on the video?
Yeah.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Yes, you audible.
So first of all, I would like to congratulate you and the institute for taking such a bold step of taking the exams online.
Yes,
Sir, I wanted to ask something that we have planned the preparation and we have like allotted particular days, like we have to study 10 days for law, 7 days for costing, and audit for some days. We have planned according to that schedule. Now, if someone wants to take at least 4 mock tests for a paper, suppose I'm giving both groups, I have to give 8 exams and I want to give at least 4 mock test papers. That means I have to give 32 mock tests. So if in case I go through 2 mock tests a day, I will require additional 16 days to be completely going through mock tests and my preparation also.
You completed the question? Completed?
Sorry, sir?
Your question is complete?
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to ask that we need additional time to practice mock tests.
Got it. I should reply only on that additional time.
Sorry, sir?
Should I reply only on additional time?
Yes, sir.
Number one, there are 2-3 things to be discussed. Number one, whether mock tests are mandatory, answer is no. Because I have concluded that your existing structure will continue. You will solve the same question in a rough. I'm asking some figures from that only. Number one. ठीक है, आपकी बात एग्री करते हैं हम इसको. In case of such a need is there, we'll examine it. We'll examine it in November and not now. We'll prepare it. If we have a feeling at November end, you are inadequately prepared, we'll look into it. But don't worry, you will feel happy, and maybe after some day you say, "Sir, exam late nahi karna." You'll tell us. That demand will come to me. You will be adequately prepared in the coming few days. After a mock test, you will. I'm sure your preparation is at a very, very high level. Because students normally do not see the pattern which I have spoken. Students normally do not see the pattern of examination. Here you are practicing the pattern. Your preparation is much more higher. In the coming few days, your preparation is going to be very, very good. And you will be saying, "Sir, don't postpone." Still, we will keep an eye on that. If required, we'll see to it. But not now. We'll talk in November and if it is required. And I'm 100% sure it will not be required. Extension will not be required. We are open for that. We are open for that, but it will not be required.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Now, anybody else?
Yes, sir. So, in case at intermediate or final level, if results will come out more than past trend, then what action will be taken by the institute? Because ये presumption होता है ना कि जो फेल होने वाले बच्चे होते हैं वो इंस्टीट्यूट की रेपुटेशन ज्यादा बढ़ाते हैं पास होने से. तो सर अगर 50% या 60% बच्चे फाइनल के या इंटरमीडिएट के पास हो जाएंगे तो एक वो प्रिजम्पशन रहता है, कहीं ना कहीं डर रहता है कि कंपटीशन खत्म हो जाएगा.
तो आप क्या चाहते हैं कि तैयारी ना करें स्टूडेंट्स? Now what happens is normally lesser students are able to reach the faculties who advise how to prepare for examination. Those who are unable to reach the coachings and all doesn't know how to prepare for examination. Only ठीक है, some people get the know from the chapter faculties or so. You want that students should not prepare. They are genuinely preparing, working hard, getting the knowledge only, then they will pass. Na? So this is not a strict. What is your suggestion? What is your suggestion? That more students should not pass?
No, sir. I think this is the first attempt done by institute. So we can't predict then what action are taken. Like MCQ का जो पैटर्न होता है, किसी को सूट हो, किसी को सूट ना हो. क्योंकि फाउंडेशन का अगर अपन ऑब्जर्व करें तो फाउंडेशन का रिजल्ट पास्ट ट्रेंड से ज्यादा ही आया है. तो
yes, पास्ट ट्रेंड से ज्यादा आया है because of the practice only. If you work hard, you will succeed. So if 5,000 students have done 62,000 mock tests, you just see every student on an average has appeared for 12 to 13 papers. 12 to 13 paper means, suppose in your intermediate exam, I'll just talk. If in intermediate exam you are to attempt 8 questions, just for example, suppose you need to attempt 8 questions, and suppose there are 3 choices, it means you have 11 questions in hand. Just for example, only 8 plus 3. 8 questions to be attempted out of 11. And when you are practicing 12 mock tests, like the foundation average was 12, in which you have already practiced 132 questions. And out of 132, you need to pass 8. You see your practice is accelerating very well. And that too, of such questions which are already coming in examination. Your practice is very well. And you ignore this practice, you ignore the mock test. From the book, how many times you will read, how many questions you will study or do, is definitely students busy in the coaching academies, they definitely have the regularity. Other students may or may not have the regularity. Definitely gap is there. By this mock test, definitely more students get the facilities for a practice. Definitely they are more prepared. Definitely result improvement is there. Definitely I agree to it. But your point that more will pass, it is not good. No, I don't agree. Let the result be whatever it is. We have to monitor the result, and we have our own protocols to monitor the results and have the planning for exam. We can't say students should not prepare only, then the result should be lesser. We have other systems with us also, to syllabus revision systems and maybe reducing the choice. There may be a number of alternatives, but this is not a good alternative. The students should not get the facility to get more prepared. No, let this facility be to all. How to have the result at optimal level, then a number of things are there. The paper level can change in future. And other parameters also there where we can work on for result matter. Fine. Other question?
Abhishek Baheti.
Sir,
Yes, please.
hello.
So on which application will the test be taken?
You will get the link. You will get the link. It's let the examination department take care of that. I'm not aware, and I will not be aware. That the
Okay.
examination platform is developing such certain things. Let them do.
So-
You will get the link, and you will reach there. From the email, in the email, you will get the link. You will reach the examination. Technical things are looked by examination,
If
and
there's any
we should not
additional
venture it.
software or anything to be installed, would we be informed prior?
That will be informed. That's why mock examination is there. That will be the not an application. That will that will be informed. Sorry, I got your point now. You are asking for a basic softwares in the computer, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
I thought you are asking for the particular. Fine, I agree with your question. Is okay. It will be informed in the due course. In the coming days, it will be informed. Fine. Today we don't have the answer because we have not finalized it. We will finalize and inform what are the basic system requirements. Your question is what are the basic system requirements? What the system should have. It will come to you. Definitely, it will come to you beforehand. It will be notified well in time. Right. Other questions?
Hello.
Is there any?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, I just wanted to get clarified that we talked about step-based marking. So, are we expected to show the steps in the paper in a free space, or will the question itself will be broken down into those steps specific?
Question is broken down into steps.
Okay, sir.
I showed you 9-mark question converted to 8 marks and broken to 4 points. When you are giving 4 answers, 2 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks, and 2 marks, it is the final of the step only. That is the 4th step basically you are informing. You are informing the figure of the step, particular step. So no separate working is required. Only online marking is there. ABCD, MCQ. There you will mark your step answer.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
So just one more question, like relating to the software which just the lady spoke to earlier. Just a query that like in case of like if we are using the office laptop, there are some restrictions as to the things installed. So will we be able to get this? What are the expected things to be installed so that we do not have such restrictions, or then we can inform decisions whether to opt for home or center based?
It will be notified. It will be notified well in time. Let us finalize. We will finalize and inform.
Yeah, because sir, in office laptop there are some restrictions.
I agree. Absolutely agree. Absolutely agree. Those excellent point raised. We will ensure in time these things are informed to you through a notification. We will inform you.
हेलो.
Yes, please.
यस सर. अभी जो आपने सब क्वेश्चंस वगैरह लिए पूरा रिजल्ट हो चुका है अब, तो फिर से ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन चालू हो सकता है क्या एग्जाम का?
अभी ऑप्शन नहीं है क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट से अप्रूवल आता है. ये गवर्नमेंट ने अप्रूवल अभी 25 तक दिया, तो आगे अप्रूवल की पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है. बिकॉज इट इज नॉट इन द इंस्टीट्यूट हैंड्स. इट इज अप्रूव्ड बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स. वी गॉट द अप्रूवल ऑन 22nd. 22 तारीख को अप्रूवल आई कि 25 तक एक्सटेंड कीजिए. संडे था. So you have applied for one group? You applied for one group or you are not applied for any group?
No sir. No, I'm not applied.
अभी पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा. अभी अप्रूवल गवर्नमेंट में नहीं आएगा, फर्दर नहीं आएगा.
ओके सर, चलेगा. थैंक यू.
सर बोलना चाहूंगा. सर वेट एक्चुअली मैं सैटरडे
Your voice is not clear. Voice is not clear.
स्टूडेंट को सर now
Rupesh ji, please unmute.
Hello, sir.
I have
Hello, sir. चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट इंस्टीट्यूट ने एग्जाम पोस्टपोन किया ड्यू टू सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग नहीं किया है. वो है नंबर ऑफ सेंटर्स बढ़ा रहे हैं, लेकिन वो फिर भी फिजिकली एग्जाम कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो हमें ये पॉसिबल नहीं था क्या?
क्यों कंपेयर करते हैं दूसरों से? तो अभी एग्जाम होने दीजिए ना, फिर बात करेंगे हम. अब एग्जाम होने तो दीजिए. मैंने स्टार्टिंग में आपको बताया था. आप मुझे लिस्ट दीजिए कौन सा स्कूल कॉलेज आपको एंटर करने देंगे. अभी फिर बात करेंगे आपसे. We'll talk after a month on this.
Yes, sir. अगर सपोज अगर इनका एग्जाम हो भी जाता है, जब दो स्टूडेंट आर बोथ ग्रुप कोर्सेज के लिए स्टडी कर रहे हैं, सी और सीए में, तो इमीडिएटली एग्जाम होने के बाद ओनली फॉर 3 और 2 डेज का टाइम सी उन्हें मिल रहा है।
इस चीज का आप मुझे सजेशन दीजिए, मेरे से क्या चाहते हैं? व्हाट यू वांट फ्रॉम सीएमए इंस्टीट्यूट यूनिफॉर्म, आई विल देन एडवाइस। आप सजेशन दीजिए, क्वेश्चन दीजिए, आप सजेशन दीजिए क्या चाहते हैं, डिमांड दीजिए अपनी। व्हाट डू यू वांट, आई विल रिप्लाई टू इट।
एटलीस्ट 2 वीक्स के लिए अगर पोस्टपोन अपन आगे कर लेते, क्योंकि ये फाइनल्स के लिए मॉक टेस्ट भी अभी रिलीज नहीं हुआ है और गाइडलाइंस भी
ठीक है, विल डेफिनेटली पॉजिटिवली लुक इनटू इट। हां, एक पॉइंट तो ये आया कि वो क्लैश हो रहा है कुछ स्टार्टेड सी एग्जाम से, क्लैशिंग आ रहा है। एक तो क्लैशिंग आ रहा है, उसका हम ध्यान रखेंगे, क्लैशिंग को चेंज करेंगे। ठीक है, आपकी रिक्वेस्ट को हम कंसीडर करेंगे, कंसीडर करेंगे आपकी रिक्वेस्ट को जो आपने बोला है। विल हैव अ क्लोज वॉच ऑन इट।
Hello, sir. I have some queries which I typed in chat box, and please give response for that.
वो सर चैट बॉक्स में कहाँ ढूंढेंगे आप? क्वेरी बोलो। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Lalitindra, sir. Vanukuru.
ढूंढना मुश्किल हो जाएगा, चैट बॉक्स इज फुल। Can you speak on the query or not? There is only one query.
Sir, you are said that
one query
offline
no.
mode is more
You have written,
secure.
okay, I reached, I will received your query now. Respected
Okay,
sir, you are saying that it is more secured, but there is a chance of malpractices, like instead of original student, other person may write exam. You try for it, then we'll reply. That this can't this happen in the physical exam? First you tell me, क्या physical exam में दूसरा नहीं बैठ सकता? When in the physical exam, can other students sit? There is only one person monitoring, a physical invigilator. You are unable to recognize the image. Here the computer is there. You are still talking. There's some other person will appear. There's a human person looking at your face. You are giving your photo with a face matching parallelly. My icon, my face. What things you are talking? Whether it is lesser skewed than the physical invigilator. If it is a physical examination. Nothing. With the help of technology, that may change their face. How we can solve this? Oh, sir, you concentrate on your exam. Security is our duty. We will take care. You try to do malpractice, we'll show you. We'll show you where you reach. You just concentrate on your exam. And when I told you it is much secured, you believe it, and you please have a consultation or examination. Or you want to please cancel it because it may some different student may appear. If you are going to give me this suggestion, you leave this suggestion. Any other point is there, you can talk to me on it.
Expected result to date, sir.
We will ensure it before 31st January so that you save your 6 months.
Thank you.
Right.
Sir, just hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, we talked about, sir, that the students are bound to look down to do the working. So I hope not much of a time goes in explaining to the
don't worry for it.
Proctor to like so that why
Sir, I'm doing work. I'm doing my work. I'm doing my work.
So doing the working.
I'm
Yes,
doing my
sir.
work. You can see me now. I'm doing my work. Yeah, everybody knows what you're doing here. The person has a very good. Every teacher knows what student is doing. In a classroom, you may be doing a WhatsApp or otherwise, maybe, but the teacher knows that this student is attentive or not. He can look at the eyes and knows who is a genuine and genuine. Don't worry for it. Don't worry. No time will be wasted. Don't worry for it. Don't worry for it. Don't panic for it. Everything will be genuinely. No issue will be there on that particular matter. No time will be wasted on such things. Don't worry. It is only ingenuine student should worry. Ingenuine student should worry. If you are genuine, you don't worry. Not even a second will be wasted. I'm doing my work continuously now. I'm one stage. I'm doing my work continuously. Everybody knows the way you will look at the mobile, the way you will try to locate something. Every teacher, every observer has own face reading. Does a genuine student should not worry even a single percentage. Not to worry. No second will be wasted for you. Don't worry.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Good evening, sir. Sir, what will be the result time?
I just told it will be before 31st January, so that you save 6 months for next attempt. Because as inter student going to the final, you can take admission to the final before 31st January. 31st January is the last date for next admission. Presently result comes on 25th February. whereas next admission closes on 31st January. We'll ensure the result before 31st January so that you save your 6 months and take admission to the final level.
And sir, in June, we will have, in next year, we will have the online mode only.
Yes, online mode only. We are trying to
Thank
match
you,
your past generation. We are older now. We are trying to match your generation. IT systems improvements and all reforms we are following now.
हेलो सर, अगर एक ही फैमिली, एक ही हाउस में दो ब्रदर सिस्टर हैं, सिबलिंग्स हैं, वो एक ही बैच को परस्यू कर रहे हैं, तो उस केस में वो एग्जाम्स कैसे दे पाएंगे? केस में क्या रहेगा?
लैपटॉप डिफरेंट चाहिए मुझे, ये हाइपोथेटिकल है, एक्चुअल है। लैपटॉप सेपरेट चाहिए, रूम में one person in a room, you will not be allowed to talk. You will not be allowed to talk. ये आप इंश्योर रखिए, don't worry, you will not be allowed to talk any. And single person in a room is a condition. Single person in a room is a condition.
Yeah. But in case, sir, when mechanism catch the location track, then it can be technical glitch or not?
Independent student, independent login, independent person in a room. No talking is allowed. No movement is allowed. You can't leave the chair. You can't see here and there. You can't talk to anybody. There's nobody in the room.
So is this a basic requirement that nobody should be in the room?
Yeah.
Because like having one room for 3 hours every day for 8 days is practically not feasible for the people, like everyone.
Okay. If you have the problem, you write to exam.director, will examine it. If you have the problem, you can write to the director. I give the email, exam.director, will examine it. If you face there is one room in the house and it is difficult, you can write to the exam.director and will examine that also. Will examine that alternate option also.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Sir, how much data? Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. How much data it will consume?
How the data? Which data?
Sir, mobile data. Sir, how much it will consume?
Mobile data.
While appearing the exam, as it is online based.
Mobile, you are giving a exam from laptop only, desktop or laptop. Exam from mobile is not.
The laptop.
It's a laptop or a desktop. Exam from mobile is not allowed.
So by hotspot, I can connect it. So.
Yeah, it's possible. You feel like if the speed is okay, you can do that. Otherwise, select a center.
Okay, sir.
Go to see desktop or a laptop only. If not, then center. You see that hotspot speed is okay. You ensure that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
My name is Haribabu, sir. Sir, actually, I should congratulate you, sir. You are doing some great work from last 1 year onwards. Like you are innovating online exams as well as even members, as you are giving a lot of prestige issue to the members, sir. Sir, one doubt I want to raise some issues, sir, regarding exams. Sir, actually, previously we have conducted in September our foundation students exams, sir, through online. In that case also, there are so many errors happened for only 1 day exam. But in case of final and inter, people has to write 8 exams. If any 1 day, either second day or third day, if any problem occurs, then the impact will be on the remaining exams, sir. Then we should take care about that point, sir. And one more, sir. Actually, now people are already, see, when we are going for any amendments and all, we are giving time at least 6 months for, in one amendment came in the month of May. We are not giving that amendment in the June attempt, sir. We are giving time for at least 6 months. The amendments will come in from next December only. But we have given online exam within some 50 to 60 days before the exam, sir.
Next point. Noted. Next point.
60 to 60 days.
Noted. Next point. Third point.
Exam.
I've noted this point. Next point. Then I'll reply. Next point. From you only. Sir, I'm asking Shekhar. From you only. Third point.
Yeah, sir. Sir, one more, sir. One more point, sir. Sir, actually now people are already prepared for offline exams, sir. Many people, 100% people are prepared for offline only. But we have suddenly changed. Okay, it is a good move. But my point is, sir, like no, we are in the system. If any people, like no, many people have don't have habit to type that in the system, sir. But if suddenly people want to change it, it is very difficult for them. Like at least no MCQs, 100% MCQs also it is very helpful to the students, sir.
And next point. I'm noting and replying to you.
Yes, sir.
Next point. No.
Yes, sir. These points only, sir.
This point. Now your first point is in the foundation there were number of errors, though it was a one examination.
Yes, sir.
But please define the error. What error? I told you it was a zero complaint paper. Please tell me the errors first.
Sir, actually, sir, like not from institute side, sir. Not from institute side. Like no students, sir. First time because of maybe net issues or phone
What
issues. Or
issues? How many issues? You tell me how many issues. Did you listen to me? What I spoke?
Sir, actually, no, sir. I am no.
How many students faced issue? Just tell me how many students faced issue. Did you listen to me?
Sir, actually, sir.
Now I have noted your three questions. Now either tell me the errors. You told there were number of errors in the foundation. You explain the errors first.
Sir, my point is, sir, not from our institute point, sir. Sir, people are sitting the students. They are facing that either data problem or system problem. That type of errors.
How many students? You show me one student. Mr. Shekhar, what you are talking of? You didn't listen to my lecture.
Sir, actually, I didn't listen, sir. I didn't listen.
There were, I repeat, there were 7,300 students.
Sir.
About only 30 students wouldn't log in because we blocked at 10:15. You cannot enter. 15-minute delay means no entry in the examination.
Okay, sir.
And we took the re-exam within 3-4 days or so, within 1 week.
Yes, sir.
And we allowed everybody to come back. All absentees. 300 something students came back. Just see the position. Complaint was from 30 students, not a complaint who couldn't log in. It was an error of a student. Still 300 people joined. Why? Because the message in the market was, yes, it is very successful exam. Why I missed? Oh, thank you, Institute. We got the opportunity. 300 students appeared. There is a zero complaint. I spoke in my slide ZERO. You didn't listen to me. Zero complaint. You're saying exam student faced problem. No, you're a student faced problem. You tell me which student faced the problem. I'm speaking the zero. You show me the one.
Okay, sir.
This is point number one. Point number two, that my amendment comes in the 6 months or so, that in the question paper, 6 months amendment doesn't come. And in case of online examination, we have not given you 6 months. Okay, you don't want to appear? Don't appear. If we convert it to the physical, be prepared, physical examination are not going to be conducted in India. Physical means the old system is a school or college system. The present system is the private center system. Private center system is private computer center systems are there. So if you don't want to appear in examination, wait for the physical, you continue to wait. Exam will be cancelled because you or some of you friends are not interested in the reforms and you want to even stop the career of other 80,000 students who want to appear. That's why we have not given you 6 months. I told in the slides, on 15th of July or so, we informed that we are going online. Notification will come on 1st August. It was you and some other students who started. Sir, we don't have laptop. Now we have provided you the laptop. Now you say, no, we don't want laptop. We want center, old center, physical. At that time, you demanded, sir, laptop nahi hai. You never told online is not a good option. You said, we are not having laptop. After getting laptop, center-based laptop, you say, no, we don't want it. We were not interested in laptop. We were interested in answer sheet. You should have told me in July only that we are interested in answer sheet. Laptop is not the issue. Point number 3 is your typing problem. I've already explained the typing problem. How many questions are there, lengthy? Please see the question paper first. Don't speak at a raw. Now just give me 1-2 minutes more. I'm sharing my screen. Once again, my slides will open just for a moment. Wait for a moment. I know this is delayed. This is very important. I missed some slides in the last. I need to show to the all people across India listening to this that what is happening. I didn't discuss the last few slides. Now this is the right time I need to discuss. Because of this question, I need to discuss. Just see, I discussed strategies to success. What was my next slide? Beware. Beware is you all are aware, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, moving in the all social media. Please copy, paste this matter and give it to the president and the institute. You are just copying, pasting and sending this matter. What my friend was just not talking, Shekhar also 6 months. Please read this, what you are writing through the to the institute. Copy, paste. It is open secret. What is open? There's no secret. It's open in the Twitter and the Facebook. Please copy, paste and send to the institute. We are not happy with the notification of this. The sudden change we informed in July is creating too much confusion. It will impact our performance. What else you are writing? Notification is issued. Guideline on pattern of examination. Please read before writing. Guidelines of pattern of examination we have given. And also with the center, just read this, what you have written. With center-based online and home-based online, we doubt how much safe and effective it is this in this pandemic. You are writing center-based online and home-based online, how much it is safe, how much it is effective in this pandemic. It means you are questioning your own home. You are saying home is not good under this pandemic. You want to leave the home. Just see what line you are writing in the Twitter or the Facebook. You are copy pasting this matter and sending the email. We doubt how much safe and effective for the students in this pandemic. What? Center-based and online home-based examination. We doubt how much safe and effective for students respectively in this pandemic. What you are writing? You don't know the English. What are you writing? You are challenging your own home in the pandemic. Sir, we did not receive the notification in reasonable time of 6 months. Okay, I postponed this examination for 6 months. You appear in June. Do you want to spoil your career? You spoil your career, but why you want to spoil the careers of others? We don't have time to prepare for this change. What change? You are going to prepare the same question paper which you are preparing already. I'm asking it lesser sentences from you, even in the practical question. I'm asking only few points, not all the points. You are solving the paper like the earlier model only. You are informing lesser information to me. So we recommend to have center-based offline mode only for this attempt. It means your recommendation is go for center-based online only for this attempt. It means you are ready for a June and future for online. It is you who have written that you are ready for a future for online, that it should be center-based only for this attempt. This attempt you noted, no school college is going to allow you inside. Fine. Such type of another mail is also there. Beware mail 2. Beware 1. Beware 2 is also there. Now one of the student is writing, no other institute have increased the fees. Now if he is challenging why online examination, what is the meaning of admission fees? We have not increased any admission fees. Students who have passed in December have not yet been placed. My friends are plenty in number. It means he is saying because students of December 19 have not yet been placed, online exam is not good. It means physical exam is good. If my friends have not been placed, physical exam is good, online is not good. This is the email being sent by the students. That online exam is not good because my students have passed, not yet placed. Should we cancel the exam permanently till these are placed? We know that placement has to take place. We are working on it. But physical exam hoga to ye sentence theek hai. Online exam is there. Does the placement not there? Then online exam not good. What you are writing in this mails? Please read before you write. And further is writing the same mail. Mock test online exam for inter not even being able to open. Sir, you are a student of final. I'm talking this particular student who is given this separate email to me. Student who have passed, my friends are plenty. If his friends are plenty, it means he is in final. If he is in final, mock test pattern for intermediate not being able to open. You are a student of final. If you try to open internet, how it will open? Exam pattern for final not yet published. Exam guideline not there. No, what is your objection to the online? Whether this sentence I should agree or other sentence I should agree. So please beware. Please don't try to spoil the career of other student. If some students don't want examination, please stay at home. Let others appear. Those who want to appear, let them appear. We are giving the opt-out options. Those who are not interested, it's up to them to decide the career. Talk to your parents and decide. Because physical exam, note it, there are still, our schools open, our school colleges open. If school colleges are not open for their own students, how an outside student of the institute will be allowed in the school college? Very, very clear. Please talk to your parents. The situation is this. There is no option than the online this time. Third option is opt out. This is you discuss with the parents and decide accordingly. Please don't spoil the career of other students. 80,000 plus students are waiting for parents. Yeah, over to another question.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, if I choose online mode exam at center and due to health issue, I will not able to give exam at center for remaining exam. So it is any option for shifting home-based online exam for remaining exam?
Sir, generally there is no option. Only in case of containment zone issue, we will consider it. But, still, if you feel like you can apply to the institute, we'll look into it. But normally, option is not there. Still, exceptionally, we'll see to it. Since you are saying exceptional reason, we'll see to it. The option is not there, but you please apply. We'll see to it. We'll see to it.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Hello, sir. Can I speak?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
सर आई वांट टू नो, जैसे हम फिजिकल पेपर में पेपर को पूरा गो थ्रू करते हैं,
यहाँ भी कर सकते हैं।
तो हम जैसे हम पेपर को पूरा गो थ्रू करते हैं, हम लाइकवाइज हमने फेवरेट क्वेश्चन को पहले टाइम करते हैं और फिर बाद में लेटर ऑन अपने डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन को बाद में करते हैं, तो वैसा क्या हमें ऑनलाइन मोड में वैसी फैसिलिटी मिलेगी क्या?
बिल्कुल मिलेगा। किसी क्वेश्चन से कभी भी किसी क्वेश्चन में चले जाइए, क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन, यू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन और एनी 1 से 6 पे, 6 से 3rd पे, 3rd से 7th पे, क्लिक एनी क्वेश्चन, क्लिक एनी
ओके सर। एंड लास्ट वन मोर थिंग, क्या हम अपने सवाल को रिव्यू कर सकते हैं, उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं? लाइकवाइज हमने
मैंने बताया था वहाँ 2 ऑप्शन आ रही है, एक रिव्यू की और एक अटेम्प्ट करने की। मैंने ये बताया था आपको, अगर आपने मार्क्ड फॉर रिव्यू मींस कि अभी आपने पेंडिंग रख दिया
जी,
और दूसरा आपने सॉल्व कर लिया, दोनों ही सिचुएशन में आप चेंज कर सकते हैं आंसर। पेपर सबमिट करने 3 घंटे में जब पेपर फाइनल सबमिट करेंगे, उससे पहले कोई भी चेंज कर सकते हैं, किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कोई भी चेंज कर सकते हैं।
सर क्या इसमें फिजिकल पेपर में हमारे पास जब फिजिकल पेपर होता है तो हम उसको शफल कर लेते हैं, हम गो थ्रू कर लेते हैं इन एंटायर टाइम
कर सकते हैं? और ठीक है, पेज आपको डिस्प्ले में एक क्वेश्चन एट टाइम आएगा, यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले में एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, पर वो 1 2 3 4 आप नेक्स्ट करते जाएंगे, आप देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन सभी।
तो सर क्या ये उससे जो हमारे नॉर्मल फिजिकल पेपर से उससे ज्यादा टाइम तो नहीं लेगा?
नहीं लेगा। आपसे ना हम आपसे क्वेश्चन में थ्योरी क्वेश्चन में टाइम बहुत बचेगा आपका, इवन जो थ्योरी केस बेस पे टाइम बचेगा, आपके प्रैक्टिकल कॉस्टिंग अकाउंट्स जैसे बड़े क्वेश्चंस में यहाँ पर टाइम बचेगा, क्योंकि आप रफ में कर रहे हैं, फेयर में नहीं कर रहे, टाइम सेव होगा। और बाकी आप टाइम से मत घबराइए, मैंने आपको बताया था कि ये प्रेजेंटली भी कई बार क्वेश्चन प्रॉब्लम आती है, सर पेपर टफ आया था, बच्चे सॉल्व नहीं कर रहे, हम तभी तो ग्रेस मार्क देते हैं ना, तो आप उस चीज की चिंता मत कीजिए। ऐसी सिचुएशन कोई आ गई तो हम आपके लिए बैठे हुए हैं, वो हेड एग्जामिनर है, वो रिपोर्ट दे देगा, वी आर हियर टू सपोर्ट यू इन ऑल सच सिचुएशंस। ऐसी सिचुएशन आएगी नहीं टाइम की, अगर टाइम की आ जाती है घबराइए मत, ये पहले भी आती है, टफ पेपर में प्रॉब्लम आती है, तो अगर आ जाएगी तो आप घबराइए मत, सभी के लिए आएगी वो। तो वो हेड एग्जामिनर ग्रेस पॉलिसी सब सिस्टम है हमारे पास, ठीक है।
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Hello. Sir, many students who is prepared for one group in June 2020 and now June 2020 exam is postponed to July and also July exam is postponed to September and institute decided to merge exam in the 5th August. Student already lost in 1 to 2 months, not started in the next group preparation. Now already time उनके पास में September और October रहा है, ठीक है सर। 2 मंथ के अंदर उनको इन द फाइनल कोर्स के लिए नेक्स्ट ग्रुप की स्टडी करनी और मॉक टेस्ट को सोल्व करना है। Sir, student want to some extension only for within 15 to 20 days. Students are welcome for the step for online examination.
We'll positively consider your request. We'll positive in a positive manner. We'll consider it. Positive manner. We'll consider it.
Okay. Actually, sir, many students who is lost in 1 to 2 months in the month of June, July, and August, or not starting the preparation.
You continue your preparation. We'll take care of it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we are with you. We are with you. We'll take care of it.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Now,
So when will we get the final dates
Final
Because-
dates for what?
for the final exams, for the final attempt? Because there's a lot of chaos regarding like to extend the exams and all of that. Because then
एग्जाम की डेट्स वही है जो और डिस्प्ले है, उसी अकॉर्डिंगली प्रिपरेशन कीजिए,
okay, sir.
ठीक है, उसी अकॉर्डिंगली प्रिपरेशन कीजिए।
सर वैसे तो सर अब ये स्टेप बहुत अच्छा है, और सर जिस हिसाब से सिक्योरिटीज और ये 2 इन्विजिलेटर्स हायर किए गए हैं स्टूडेंट्स पे, ये पूरा एक सिक्योर्ड मैकेनिज्म है। बट सर अगर हम किसी फाउंडेशन स्टूडेंट जिनको ये ऑनलाइन एग्जाम देने का एक्सपीरियंस है, अगर उनसे हम रिव्यू लेते हैं, तो सर कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो ऐसा कहते हैं कि हमने बहुत इजीली चीटिंग कर लिया, बहुत इजी पेपर हुआ था, बहुत फर्जी, और बहुत सरकाजम वे में उसका रिप्लाई करते हैं कि भाई हमारा ग्रुप चीटिंग प्रोग्राम भी करवाया था हमारे कोचिंग सेंटर्स ने।
ओह माय गॉड।
ये सर, और सर इस चीज को हाईली ऐसे क्रिटिसिज्म में बोल रहे हैं कि हमने पास कर लिया, और बहुत सर इसका क्या आंसर है?
वे आपका मैसेज नोट कर लेते हैं हम। सेंटर पे सिक्योरिटी बढ़ाएंगे, सेंटर की सिक्योरिटी बढ़ानी है। आप ये चीटिंग की अगर बात कर रही है, ये होम बेस्ड में नहीं हो सकती, घर में नहीं हो सकती। जो आपने एग्जांपल दिया, अगर ऐसा हुआ है सेंटर में, हम इसकी सेंटर की मॉनिटरिंग बढ़ा देंगे। सेंटर की भी रिकॉर्डिंग हमें मिलती है, वी विल इंश्योर दैट सेंटर की भी सभी से रिकॉर्डिंग हम लें, तो ऐसा मैटर ना रहे। मतलब हमारा सेंटर में भी कैमरा होगा, सेंटर में भी कैमरा होगा। हम सेंटर के कैमरा को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर देते हैं या उनसे रिव्यू बढ़ा लेंगे। मैं आपकी फीडबैक नोट कर लेता हूँ कि सेंटर का भी हम कैमरा का जरा ज्यादा ध्यान रखिएगा। होम बेस्ड में तो आप निश्चित रहिए कि हर समय है, या सेंटर बेस्ड की हम बेटर कंट्रोल लेंगे। आपका फीडबैक नोट कर लेता हूँ, एंड विल टेक केयर इन दी सेंटर बेस्ड एग्जाम। सेंटर बेस्ड एग्जाम प्रॉब्लम होगी, ये इसकी नहीं हो सकती।
नहीं सर, वो प्राइवेट कोचिंग सेंटर्स ने ग्रुप चीटिंग प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करवाया।
देखिए घर में कैसे ग्रुप चीटिंग करेंगे? ग्रुप में घर चीटिंग नहीं हो सकती। ग्रुप में आप सेंटर में बोल रही हैं?
नो सर, आई डोंट, सेंटर बेस्ड तो हुआ ही नहीं था ना शायद फाउंडेशन का, तो
सेंटर में हुआ ही नहीं,
नहीं हुआ। बट उनका तो कोचिंग सेंटर्स जो थे, प्राइवेट कोचिंग सेंटर्स जो उनके ट्यूशन टीचर्स थे, उन्होंने अपने ग्रुप चीटिंग प्रोग्राम्स ऐसे करवाए।
यू आर सेइंग इन अ फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन दे हैड प्लान्ड फॉर ग्रुप चीटिंग, ये कह रहे हैं?
फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन नो सर, अभी सितंबर में जो ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन हुआ था फाउंडेशन का, उस एग्जाम्स में जो कोचिंग सेंटर्स के टीचर्स हैं, उन्होंने ग्रुप चीटिंग प्रोग्राम पता नहीं कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करवाया, बट कहीं ना कहीं इन्फॉर्मेशन फाउंडेशन के स्टूडेंट से मिली है। तो सर
ग्रुप चीटिंग प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया, ग्रुप चीटिंग हुई तो नहीं।
I am really sorry to interrupt, but Sanjay sir, you have been portraying negative points since a very long time. Like you have always been focusing on cheating. ऐसे होती है, वैसे होती है. Like this is a great step. Can you stop doing that, because it's spraying a lot of negativity in everyone.
Actually,
of course, you've taken care of everything, no?
Actually, sorry. बट आई एम नॉट नेगेटिविटी।
आप मेरे को एक सेंटर बताइए, एक सेंटर ऐसे है जी, मेरे को एक सेंटर बताइए जहां चीटिंग हुई थी। ठीक है, आप तो बताइए, सबकी रिकॉर्डिंग हमारे पास है। आप अब मुझे स्पेसिफिक सेंटर का नाम दीजिए, आई विल रिव्यू थिंग्स।
ओके सर, आई विल कांटेक्ट यू पर्सनली।
ठीक है, आप मुझे सेंटर का नाम दीजिए, सब रिकॉर्डिंग हमारे पास है, हम रिकॉर्डिंग खोल लेंगे, पता चल जाएगा क्या कुछ।
ओके सर,
ठीक है, हम उसके भी लाइव ले लेंगे, उसको सब लाइव डिस्प्ले ले लेंगे सेंटर का भी। There is only security layer to be announced. We will see that live relay is there from center also. We'll take care of it. वैसे हुआ नहीं होगा, आप कह रहे हैं तो आप सेंटर का नाम दीजिए, हम रिकॉर्डिंग चेक कर लेंगे। इतना इजी नहीं है। The people who are doing this examination are doing lakhs of examination. I told you in India, hundreds of universities have already connected online. Globally, professional institutes, maybe chartered, maybe the management cost, even the Sri Lanka is doing online. UK, Australia, large, you name any professional institute across the world. We are behind. We are behind in the reform. Just see, this is a reform. So accordingly, this is a much secured examination. I don't expect. Still, you are saying you call me and give the center name. I'll check into it. Though I'm 100% sure that these type of things are not possible, because the people at the back end have also been conducted the UK examination or Australian professional examination. The people working with us are not working for India. They are working at the global level. Fine. Over to next question.
Now, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we conclude this session?
Up to you, sir.
I think all students asked their questions. Anybody else?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
यस सर, मैं सभी फ्रेंड्स को और बताना चाहता हूँ कि सीएमए फैमिली में सीएमए इंस्टीट्यूट ने जो डिसीजन लिया है वो बहुत अच्छा है। वो हमारे लिए प्राउड मोमेंट है। इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे भी ये लिया जाता है, तो क्यों ना हम इसे सपोर्ट करें ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स को।
बिल्कुल, we all are supporting this.
Yes, sir. I am always supporting. और चाहे एग्जाम ऑनलाइन हो या ऑफलाइन हो, हार्डवर्क तो स्टूडेंट का होता है, परफॉर्मेंस तो दिखाना पड़ेगा ना सर. इसलिए तो प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम होती है.
Absolutely.
Please,
Agree.
friends, support our institute. Please support.
I agree with Mayuresh. Thank you, Mayuresh. Now I would
Just
like
last
to.
thing,
Yes,
that sir, this meeting has been recorded, so is it possible to upload it somewhere?
Yes, it's possible. It's possible.
Because there are a lot of students. There's a group of CMA wherein people are posting because they weren't able to get in the meeting. That's why.
No problem. You can go ahead. All what I've talked is genuine things. There's nothing anything personal.
Okay.
Khushi, for your information, we are already live on Facebook and it will be available on Facebook.
ICMAI Byawar Facebook पेज का नाम है.
Alright, thank you so much, Soran ma'am.
Anybody else? Now.
Sir,
Hello, sir.
सॉरी सर आई एम मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप लोगों को सबको ऐसा वाइब आ रहा है कि संजय प्रॉपर्ली चीटिंग का बात कर रहा है, बट सर एक्चुअली मेरे को ये चाहिए, मैं इस चीज को क्यूरियस हूँ कि कैसा ये मैकेनिज्म इम्प्लीमेंट होगा और कैसे होगा. तो इस वजह से मैं उस चीटिंग की बार बात इसलिए कर रहा था ताकि कोई माल प्रैक्टिसेस को इम्प्लीमेंट ना कर सके, ये चीज इतनी जेन्युइनली हो ताकि हमारा इंस्टीट्यूट जो इतना नया स्टेप उठाया है दूसरे इंस्टीट्यूट के अगर कंपेयर में देखा जाए तो एक तो नया स्टेप उठाया है तो ऑलरेडी एक कदम आगे है. अगर इस चीज को प्रॉपर्ली इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाएगा तो बहुत अच्छा होगा और कर रहा है अपना इंस्टीट्यूट. मैं इस चीज को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट मैं चीटिंग और इन सब की बात इसलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने अपने एनवायरनमेंट में कहीं ना कहीं चीजें थोड़ी ऑब्जर्व करी है और मैं स्टूडेंट, आई एम आल्सो स्टूडेंट और मेरे साथ स्टूडेंट एनवायरनमेंट रहता है तो कहीं ना कहीं उनका पर्सपेक्टिव और उनका जो ट्रू चीज होता है वो सामने आता है.
Dear student, I basically in my discussions I have not noticed the names even who is talking even now. Don't worry. At least for me, I'm talking to a student without any name. Practically, I have not seen the names also. Only in 1 or 2 cases I just referred to something, but I don't recall any names also. I have not noticed it practically. So I have talked to the student in a fair manner without knowing the real picture of the name or the situation or the location or the city. I have talked in a fair manner. Fine, and don't bother. And anything, no comments. I have noted for except only few things noted for improvement, system requirement or diagram issue or something. I have noted, but nothing. So be fair and don't worry. We can go move forward.
Now in concluding remarks, thank you Balvinder sir for a very good and interactive session. मैं आप सभी को एक अच्छी चीज बताना चाहूंगा कि 2222 स्टूडेंट्स ने अभी तक इस वेबिनार को फेसबुक लाइव के थ्रू वॉच किया है और अब मैं वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए हमारे सीएमए ब्यावर चैप्टर के रुपेश जी कोठारी चेयरमैन साहब से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वे एक बार बलविंदर सर का थैंक यू करें.
Is I am audible?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Thank you CMA Balvinder Singh. CMA ऑनलाइन एग्जाम का ऑप्शन है तब तक स्टूडेंट के मन में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन थे हर रोज हमें सर कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, किस तरह से होगा. हमने अप्रोच किया बलविंदर सिंह को और हम लोग हर
I think Rupesh ji is offline now due to some network problem. Now I would request to Ms. Jyoti.
I have an issue. Can you continue?
Hello.
Yes, Mitesh ji, I would like to extend a profuse thanks to all the students who have come out with their queries, their doubts, because clarification of doubts leads to a better practice, better revision for exam, better preparation. And thank you so much, Balvinder sir, for sparing time. In fact, much more than you had committed to. All the doubts have been clarified. I'm sure there'll be no more doubts. In case all the students who are present, in case there are any more doubts, you can definitely put them on the Facebook page of Byavar chapter, and sir will definitely sort them out. Thank you so much, sir, for sparing such a wonderful time with us. And thank you to all the technical support team and all the organizing committee for such a successful program. Good night, everyone.
Good night, sir. Good night, all of you.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night.